sayang, biro mo lifetime. Pero sabi niya, Father, I don't mind dahil I find now fulfillment. At pati ang asawa ko, asawa niya, nagsiserve na rin kay Lord sa Greenbelt. Nagbabasa, lector na. And so, you see, whatever it is that you consider a blessing, alam nyo, ang lahat ng yan ay pagpapala ng Panginoon. At kung sa tingin ninyo, ikaw ay may kulang, ay talagang may kulang ka. And so, during this year, we greet each other, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Sana naman, pagpalain tayo ng Panginoon at ang bawat isa sa inyo. But then, of course, nasa inyo rin kung kayo ay talagang magiging grateful sa lahat ng mga kaloob at sa lahat ng biyaya ng Panginoon sa atin. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, as we begin this new year, let us be filled with a grateful heart. Because it is by being filled with a grateful heart that we will truly be blessed. Kung may oras kayo ngayong araw, count nyo ang inyong mga blessings. At mapapansin ninyo na mas marami kayong pagpapala, hindi katulad ng napakaraming mga tao. Kaya ngayon ipapalabas ko ang isang PowerPoint presentation just to remind us how truly blessed we are compared with the so many thousands of people. At dahil hindi nakikita ng iba sa inyo, Take 2. Remember throughout the year, be thankful for what you have.
Christmas is far away. Christmas is past.
If you have food in the refrigerator, close